Hey there, so this is the Highland by Logan in Summers Walk. This is 4641. Swimming Lane, I believe is the address. Again by Logan. Look at this nice black door, pretty. Let's go inside. Love this floor color in here. This is luxury vinyl plank. Isn't it pretty? Off to the right, you've got a bedroom, which I'll get to, and then you walk into this nice open floor plan. They've got the tray ceiling up there, which is great. And look at all of this living space here in the Highland. This is a 4-bedroom plan. I see why you like it. Super, super pretty. The finishes in here are really nice. You've got this pond back behind you. So you are on a water lot back here. Your neighbors are already moved in. So this is really, really quiet and peaceful back here. A great size backyard. They only sod up to this. Well, actually, this is the property line. They sawed to the back of the property line, and then all of that, I guess, is maintained by the HOA. So your property line ends at that stake right there. But that's okay. I'm sure you could do what you need to do on this, and maybe, is there a stake down here? Let me see where this property ends. I don't see a stake over here, but you can see when you come down here, you've got nice view. There are fish jumping over there. Did you hear that? So you could throw a line into this water and catch some fish too. So this is what the back of these homes look like over here. This one she's opening up for me, and it has a covered porch. So that's pretty too. So let's dive in, see the rest of this house. Here is the side yard. So you can see the stakes here. So I like how they have this sort of gully right here. So the water runs away from the house into this sort of gully that comes down and drains into the pond. So that's nice. Okay, so back inside, you could put a ceiling fan up there or a pretty light fixture, whatever you want. There is a lot of space in this living room. You could put your TV up against this wall or up against this wall and have plenty of room for a number of different furniture arrangements. And then you have plenty of space for a nice big dining table in between the living and the island. So I love it when they leave plenty of space for dining. So you could have like a farmhouse table here, or even a round table, or even do like a banquette up against that window and have a table there and still have plenty of space for bar stools and have dining there at the island. So super cute. They put the chrome hardware, or is this brush nickel? This is the chrome hardware here on the cabinets, which is great. They did do the granite backsplash. You can replace this and put a pretty backsplash up there if you wanted to. We'll go ahead and ask for the refrigerator for you. And they do the Whirlpool appliances in here. Lots of space in this kitchen, lots of storage and cabinetry, very good. They did do the single bowl sink in here, which is extra nice. And then over here, you have a decent sized pantry. Lots of space in there. Ooh, you even have more over there tucked away. I would have missed that. So back over here, let's go check out the primary suite. So you have this entryway here and then you go into the primary. So I like that there's a little bit of separation there. They pulled the luxury vinyl plank through this bedroom and you do have a pretty pond view out of these windows as well. Nice. Look at this nice size walk-in closet over here. And then you have another closet over here. Really nice, pretty. Love the color of these floors. Through here you have your primary bathroom and you have your walk-in shower. I love that this is all one piece. Sometimes at other builders, they'll put their fiberglass showers in their 2 pieces or maybe even 3 pieces, and that leaves where gook gets all up in where the pieces meet. So love that this is all one piece, and you have a bench right there and plenty of room for toiletries. So loving this. I think they have really stepped their game up in Summer's Walk with the finish level of these homes as compared to my other videos. That's a great size vanity. You've got plenty of room in between and a lot of storage underneath here. They put all of the towel holders up. Some builders, they don't put these in anymore, so that's nice. Love this little window with the natural light. And you have a separate water closet, so that is fantastic. Really, really digging this primary. Okay, let's go check out the rest of the bedrooms. Over here, you pass a full bath and your laundry room. That's a great size laundry. You could easily replace that shelf and put cabinets up there from like Lowe's or Home Depot or something, easy peasy. Or just put some pretty open shelving up there for all your pretty laundry essentials if that is your vibe. So over here you have your second bedroom of the home. They did put carpet in here. This is a nice carpet though. This is a good size room for a secondary bedroom. Let's check out the closet size. Good, it goes in a little bit further too. So you get a little bit of extra space in there. Very nice. And then over here, you've got your third bedroom, good size. I believe these are wired for ceiling fans, maybe. I only see one switch, but I think they probably put the box up there to support the weight of a ceiling fan. I'll have to ask. Over here, again, a good sized closet that goes all the way back there. So that's fantastic. Yeah, these homes feel a little bit better from when I was in here back in the day. So look, you've got this beautiful counter in here on the vanity. You've got the shower tub combination. Again, this is all one piece. You don't have the separation. Sometimes there's a separation here with the tubs in some of these new construction homes, and it just gets all yuck in those grooves. But here, this is all one piece, and you have plenty of storage up here for toiletries and over here, and it wraps right here so you can take a nice bath. Beautiful. Very neutral. You have your linen closet with plenty of storage in here. So yeah, you guys, this is the Highland. Say hi. So this is Kaya with Logan Homes. If you come by here, ask for Kaya. Come in and see her. You better ask for me first. Come see me first, and then. This is the fourth bedroom of the house. They've got the carpet through here too. You've got a pretty view out front. There's a little pond across the way that you get a view from, from here. Pretty. Look at the pretty flowers. Nice. And then the closet is over here. So this home is move-in ready to go. And I'm impressed. Things have changed. Things have changed since I was in here before when they were initially under construction on this street. So out through here is the garage. Nice. You've got your pull down to the attic here, your water shut off, and your water heater living here in the corner. You've got your electrical panel over here. As you can see, they're charging this very nice golf cart in here right now, but this is a decent sized garage. They went ahead and installed the garage door openers, which is fantastic. Now, this garage is not painted. That is normal for this price point here, but this is an easy peasy. It's all drywalled and mudded and everything, so you just come on in and paint it. No problem. If you need a painter, you just let me know. I can hook you up with someone great. But yeah, so this is just your standard garage. And what did I miss? I missed this closet here, I think. So let's see. And you've got a coat closet right here. So lots of storage. You get the 4 bedrooms and the 2 bathrooms, and you get this beautiful view of the pond. This one doesn't have the covered porch, but you could get like a really nice awning that goes over the top to make this whole vibe out here, this outdoor section, very livable. So pretty. Let me know what you think of this one. This is the Highland. What do you guys think? I would love, love, love to show you this home in person and show you all around the Southport, Oak Island area. Call me. I'm Jessica Wainwright, 910-518-JESS, 5377. I would love to show you this house, you guys. Stop looking and start finding. JessWayne.com. Hope to talk with you soon. Bye.